I'm Joey Willman,
How old are you?
17.
So you're here today for the vaccine. Why did you decide to take it?
Because it is the right thing to do, and it's also to help to protect me from the virus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is the case also where you're looking to go back to school?
Yes.
Is the case?
Yeah, that's the case.
What would you say to others who probably are doubtful about the vaccine?
Well, from my point of view, I would say to them, yes, they should take the vaccine because if they don't take it, then I say whoever has the virus, they'll catch it also. So I would advise them to take the vaccine.
Rain again, Georgia.
Councillor Omar Miller, how are you doing, sir?
I am fine, thank you.
Tell me about today. Why are you here at Manville Regional Hospital vaccination site?
Well, I am here to have my eldest son vaccinated for school, and it is important that we follow the protocols and understand the importance of having them vaccinated.
How old is your son?
He's 14 years old.
So what is the word of encouragement to other persons who might be doubtful about the vaccine?
Well, I would recommend that persons do their own research, make their own assessment, and realize that it is important for us as a country to take the vaccine. Without it, moving forward is going to be very challenging for the economy and for us as a people to deal with this.